Good morning, everyone. Today we will discuss how to represent a three-digit number in the place value chart. Before that, let us discuss last day's homework answers. So all of you, please open your notebook. Show me where you have done the homework. All of you, please show me. Show me your homeworks, everyone. Yes, Krishnaraj, Ishan, Abel Sarju. I can see the here also. Samannaya, Dia, Malaviga, Andon, and Mia, please show me. Afreen. Where is Afreen's? Afreen's book is not clear to me. Afia, okay. Daksha, okay. Ashujit, okay. Then Shivanadya, yes. Abel, those who, which all names I called, they can keep your book down. And Mia, I can see now. Afia's okay. Ashif, okay. I hope everybody has done. So let us see the answers. Okay. There were two questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, first question was, now I am going to mute you all. Question E. The was 321. So 300 and 21. And the second question was F. That is 450. 450. So let us see the answers. You have to write in numeral. For that, first we have to write the places. After that, you have to write the digits. Okay. Malaviga, first one. 321. So first,
Hundreds,
first let us write the places.
hundreds,
Ah,
tens,
ah,
ones.
okay. Then,
Hundreds place 3.
yes, it's written 300. So 100 place we should write 3. After that,
Tens place 2.
yes, it is written 21. So to write 21 in tens place 2, in ones place
1.
1. Correct, my dear. The answer is 321. Correct.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Now, next question. Anmia Regal. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Next question. Again, the places HGO. Now, in 100 place, which digit we have to write?
4.
Yes, it's written 400. So, in hundreds place, 4. Very good. Then, 50. To write 50. In tens place, which digit we have to write? Sorry?
10 is 50.
To write 50, this place, in tens place, what we should write? Which digit we should write? 5. Correct. In ones place?
0.
0. Correct, my dear. Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, these are the homework answers. Everybody, please check your answer.
Ma'am, I not finish.
Why? Why, my dear?
Ma'am, right. Ma'am, right.
Here,
Ma'am,
these
right.
questions These questions were last day's homework questions. You have to do it before the class. Okay.
Okay.
So if you haven't done, please do it and
Ma'am.
answer again. I will send in the class group, WhatsApp
After,
group. Okay.
ma'am,
So please check it. Next day onwards, please do the homework. Before the
Ma'am.
class.
Excuse me.
Yes, dear.
After we eaten A, B, C, and D, and E.
E and F work homework question, my dear. Last day I sent in the group to do. Okay.
That I
You haven't
do.
done?
Yeah.
Ah.
Ma'am,
Then
whether
what's your doubt?
all questions are right.
Okay. Now, Ashif, sleeping? Feeling sleepy? Go and wash your face. Wash your face, my dear. Not feeling sleepy.
Can you share the screen?
For what, my dear? Dia? Have you done homework?
No.
I will share the answer in the group. Okay. Do the homework yourself and check the answer from the group. Okay. Dia? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So next is represent how to represent a 3-digit number in a place value chart. Very easy. These many days we were discussing about places of a 3-digit number. Just represent it in a table, then it will be place value chart. Very easy. I'll show you a few questions. No need to write anything. Please keep your books closed. Okay. Keep your books closed. No need to write anything. Okay. So place value chart. How to represent a number in the place value chart? A 3-digit number.
Ma'am, right?
My dear, no need to write. Please keep your books closed and write. Closed and listen. Hold your hands and listen. Okay. For example, if we have, dear children, how we will read this number?
321.
Somebody said 32-1. 32-1.
321.
110. 321. 321. Now, to represent, this is a 3-digit number, right? It's a 3-digit number. For a 3-digit number, how many places are there? How many? 3 places. Which are the places? Which are the places? 3-digit number. This is the place value chart. Okay. And for this given number, 100 place, which digit we have to write? 3. Yes, correct. 100 place we should write 3. And in tens place? 2. In ones place? 1. This is O, not 0. This is O. HTO. Okay. Like that. Another number 420.
420.
Yes, correct.
420.
This is also again a 3-digit number. So, which are the places? H, O, HTO, 100 tens, 100. This is the place value chart. To represent this number in the place value chart, in hundreds place, which digit we have to write? In hundred place, we can write 4. Tens place, ones place, 0. Okay. Now let me ask one by one. Show you few more questions. Next one. These are the numbers. $600 B C. Okay. Now, Dia KP, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
So first we have to write the places. Which are the places?
600,
Places. Ah,
tens,
ah.
ones.
Ones. For 100, we will write the letter H. For tens, T. For ones, O. Then 100 place, which digit we have to write?
6,
6. In tens place?
8,
8. In ones place?
0.
0. Okay. Correct, my
Okay,
dear.
ma'am.
Will you read this number?
Yes, ma'am.
Ah.
6,
Hmm.
618.
Is it 18 or 80?
80.
Ah, yes. Good.
Thank
680.
you, ma'am.
Welcome, dear. Next question. Daksha Deepak, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, HTO. Next question. To represent. In 100 place, which digit we have to write?
We have to write in 100 places 9.
The digit 9. Then tens place?
5.
Tens place?
0.
0. Ones place?
5.
5. Okay. Tens place? 5.
Yes.
Okay. Then how you will read this number?
905.
905. Correct. Next. Very good, dear. Next one. Fia. Please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, HTO. Now, 100 place, which digit we have to write?
7.
7. In tens place?
9.
9. In ones place?
9.
Then how to read this number?
799.
Very good. 799. So this is the way you have to represent the numbers in the place value chart. Okay, now open your notebook. Everybody open your notebook. Put today's date and start writing. Ready with your book, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Give the heading. First put the date. Give the heading. Write the given numbers in the place value chart. Right. WRITE, right? The THE, the given, GIVEN, Everyone. Numbers. 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 In the in the place value chart. A, B, C, D and E are homework questions that I will share in the group. You have to do it for the next class. So please write answer for A, B, and C.
Ma'am, you want to write?
Yes, start writing. The
Ma'am,
notes. You have to write the answers also now.
Questions we want to write. We can write the.
Sorry?
Ma'am, we want to. I have space.
If you have space, you can continue over there.
Ma'am,
Those
we
who
want to
don't
write
have
the
space,
question.
please take another page and write.
Ma'am, we want to write the question.
Oh, yes. Write the question and
Ma'am,
write the answers.
where the connection gone?
Oh.
That's why I can't see the board.
Now also you cannot see.
Now I can see.
Okay, now start writing then. Okay. Everyone started. Huh? Have you all started writing?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Continue. I will show you. You have to write the table and you have to represent the number like this.
Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, those who finished, please wait for others to complete. Have you all completed?
And they finished. Ma'am. No, ma'am.
Somebody left to complete?
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Wait. Give you one more minute. Within that, if anybody is
Ma'am,
there
we
to
want to-
complete, please complete it.
We want to write that column.
Oh, you have to draw the column and write the digit. Few videos are off. Please turn on your videos, everyone. Afreen, keep your device properly. Now, are you all ready?
Ma'am, I'm finished.
Are you all ready to
Yes.
discuss
Yes,
answers?
ma'am. Ma'am. Yeah. Yes,
Okay, so let me mute you all. Now, Ashif, please unmute. Ashif,
Yes, ma'am.
first question. In 100 place, which digit we have to write, my dear?
3.
3. Correct. In tens place?
4.
4. And in ones place?
6.
6. Correct answer. Good. Will you read the number?
346.
Correct, my dear. Very good. 346. Okay, good. Now, next question. Andrea, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. Hmm.
100 place 1.
Yes, correct.
Tens place 2.
Yes, correct.
1 place 3.
Yes, correct, my dear. Good. Now, will you read this number?
Yes. 123.
Okay, very good, very good.
None of here.
Now, next question too. Today, Anna Princeton I saw. Now, she's not there. Anna Princeton is there? No. She was there in the beginning. Afia, now tell me the answer.
100 place 9.
Hmm. Okay, 100 place. 50.
100 place 9.
Tens place.
8.
8. Ones place.
7.
7. Correct answer, my dear. You read the number?
Yes. 987.
987. Correct. Good. Now,
I'm a printer.
one more session is there. I'll give you a chance. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. Now, have you all completed this? Is there anybody else to complete?
No,
E,
No,
D,
ma'am.
and E are homework questions. I will share in the group. Please do it for the next class. Everybody should do that. Okay. Same way. Please listen first after that. Okay. Have you all understood what I said?
Yes,
Daksha, sit properly. Don't play with your device. Listen here.
Ma'am, the question.
Question I will share in the group, my dear.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Please do it for the next class. And I have to tell you one thing. You have an activity to do for the next Friday. Okay.
Friday.
Devarsh, please sit there. Devarsh TD, please sit there. Now, listen.
Friday.
What is the, I will explain the activity. You have to, in a A4 sheet paper, using 2D shapes and 3D shapes, you can draw any picture you like. Okay, any picture,
Flower.
whatever you like. You have to use 2D shapes and 3D shapes. That is the thing. And you have to color it.
What? Only one picture. Ma'am,
Only one picture is enough. In an A4 sheet paper, okay, draw the margin and all, and draw neatly and color it. And next Friday, during the class time, I'll ask you, you have to show that. Then I will take your name and I'll give you mark. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
So keep it ready for the next Friday.
Ma'am, we can only Friday. Ma'am, we can draw. Ma'am,
Only Friday you want to show me few.
Ma'am, we can draw anything.
Using 2D and 3D shape, you can draw any picture. No problem.
Okay, ma'am.
As you like. And color it.
How? Sheet.
In an A4 sheet paper. Clear?
And which shape?
That you can select. Okay, which picture you like, that picture you can draw. As per your creativity, you can draw any picture, flower or some whatever you like, house or whatever it may be. But 2D shape and you have to color it. Sorry?
How many pictures?
Only one picture. One picture is enough.
Like this.
Sorry,
Okay,
and
ma'am.
again I will share the, I will share the details in the group also. Still, if you have any more doubts, you can clear in the next session. Okay.
Ma'am, I do it in paper class.
Now let me introduce next topic regarding activity. If any doubt is there, I'll share again the details in the group. If again more doubts are there, you can ask me in the next class. Okay. Now, next we are going to discuss about place value of a number. Place value of a digit in a number. 3-digit number. Now we know how to present a number in the place value chart. Now we know how to present a number in the place value chart. Here you can see each digit in a number has a place in the place value chart. Depends on this place, each digit in the number has a value. That value is the place value. Depends on the place in the place value chart. Each digit of a number has a value. That value is called place value. Don't want to by heart the definition, but you have to understand what is place value. Suppose now here,
I'm right.
no need to write. Please close your all the books and listen. For example, 346. Here, 3 is in which place? 100's place. 100's place. And 4 is in?
10's place.
6 is in?
1's
place. So the place value of 6 is, you have to tell the digit along with the place. Place value of 6 is 6 ones. 6 ones means what? 6 ones means, or 6 ones equal to?
Ma'am, I can see the board.
6 ones equal to?
Ma'am, I can see the board.
Ah, yes.
Ma'am, some food yourself disturbing.
Can you all see the screen? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. 6
Yes,
ones
ma'am.
equal to 6. Like that.
6.
Place value of 4 is 4. What is the place? T. 4 tens. 4 tens equal to what we can say? 4 tens? 4 tens is not equal to 4. 4 tens equal to?
40.
Okay. Like that. Place value of 3. 3 along with the place. 300. 300 is equal to? 300. Digit along with the place you have to write. You have to say, then it will be place value. Okay. Each digit in a number has a place in the place value chart. According to the place, each digit gets some value. This value is called place value. Here in this number 346, the place value of 6 is, what is place value of 6? Only once. 6 ones. You have to say 6 ones. That is equal to 6. Like that, place value of 4 is 4 tens. 3 is 300. 300. We'll discuss more about this in the next class. Now, Aradhya is present today? No. Now, Ansel is present today? No.
Daily test.
Next class I will contact. Now one more person. Smriti is present? No. Suresh also not present, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, my dear students. See you in the next class. Okay.
And Ross present. Ma'am, 450.